After completion of 6 months, you start solids for your baby and you see that baby has taken solid for a day or two, but again there is a rejection, or on the first time itself your baby is not ready to take it. So do not worry, keep these things in mind. At first, your baby is not a machine to be ready at 6 months to take solids. Maybe try it after a week or two, consult a doctor if needed. Second thing, ensure baby is fed well with breast milk or formula 30 minutes prior to feeding solids. And do not force feed, respect a no. Baby may not be in good mood or other reasons, you can try it later. And if a particular food like ragi sari or khichdi that you think that is definite baby food my child has to take, do not continue to offer it immediately or the next day, but after a week. Ensure to feed solids only when your baby is happy or your baby has had a good sleep. Remember, until a year, solids are complementary food and main food still remains breast milk or formula. So major nutrition is from there, a little bit of protein and iron is from the solids that we introduce. And hence, in case your child is not taking solid for a day or two, it is absolutely fine. Wait, respect that. And in case you feel there is some issue, please visit a doctor.